How to download mods in Minecraft. So downloading mods in Minecraft is very easy and simple. What you gotta do, first of all, is go to your web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome for this. So once you're in your web browser here, as you can see, I've already opened the website and it's called curseforge.com. I'll put the link in the description, but yeah, first of all, you just gotta go right over here and basically just press on Minecraft. So if you wanna download any mods, you just press on Minecraft. And here you'll be able to see a lot of mods and you can search it up too. But for me, I'm just going to download any other random mod. So yeah, let's just press on this one. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to see many options right over here. But what you got to do is just press on download right over here first. And once you do this, you'll see three options right over here. First one is called all game versions. So you got to select the game version. So it actually depends on what game version are you playing. So I'm just gonna select all game versions. So if you don't know your game version, you can just basically do all game versions, or if you got any specific ones, just like 1.20.1, you can just do this. And then it comes to mod loaders. You just gotta select Forge, because like Forge is the best mod loader. So I'm just gonna select Forge, and then you just gotta press on download file. So once you press on it, the file is just gonna download. You just gotta wait for 3 seconds, and then here, as you can see, it'll just start to download right over here. And once it's downloaded, in the process, you gotta go and download Java. So downloading Java is very important for this step, because without Java, you won't be able to download any mods. So just press on download Java. And now the Java is also downloading. You just gotta press Java to install. And then press install again, and then it's gonna install. So you just gotta wait until it's installed. So here, as you can see, it's just gonna take a few seconds until it's downloaded. You're gonna go and download Forge. So here, as you saw, I selected Forge for my installer. So you gotta make sure that you have Forge. So you've noticed actually that we downloaded the same version as we saw right over there. So we downloaded, it said 1.20.1. So here, as you can see, we got the actual version of it right over here. You just gotta press on this one. And here you will be able to see the latest or recommended. So if you want to download the latest one, you could sure go ahead. Or if you want to download the recommended one, you can just download the recommended. So I'm just going to press download on the recommended, because like it's going to run really well. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to see the option to download. You just got to press download right over here. And looks like we accidentally installed a vest. We don't need to install a vest. But we just gotta wait until our Forge is downloaded. We're just gonna press installer again. And yeah, here, as you can see, it's just gonna give us a 5 seconds timer. Just gotta wait. And then press skip. And now here, as you can see, our Forge is being downloaded. So now everything has been downloaded. We just gotta go to our downloads. And now here, as you can see, we have to install Java setup now. And we have actually installed Java, I don't remember, but like, yeah, Java is now installed. So now what you gotta do is just basically run this with our Java, open with, and you'll be able to see Java right over here if you've correctly installed it. And yeah, and same for the Forge, you gotta do this with your Java, or you could do it with WinRAR. So here, as you can see, these are all the files that you could do. So if you don't see the option of Java, you could just basically use the WinRAR. So what you have to do is make a file for that, and basically just install and make a new folder for that. And the new folder, you should name it Forge. All right, name it Forge. And now open the folder, and then copy everything into that folder. And now just close it up. And here, as you can see, once you do this, you got your Forge. Now you gotta put all the mods. I'm just gonna make a new folder for it. And gonna name it mods. And now we're gonna do exactly same by just putting the mod. Just like that. Now we have the Forge and the mod. So now what you gotta do is just basically press Windows plus R, and then press %app data, and then % again, and then press OK. Now it will bring you here. So if you have Minecraft right over here, let's say I have a Minecraft folder right over here. So I don't actually have Minecraft and I haven't bought it, but like you'll be able to see your Minecraft folder right over here. Let me just create one for example. And right over here, you'll be able to see it, and you'll see many files option right over here. But for the context, you'll be able to see just one option. It will be called mods. So once you download Forge and mods, you'll be able to see another option of mods. And then what you need to do is just basically put mods in this section. All right. And then you will be able to see another option right over here. It will be called installer. Now, installer is basically Forge. You got to put Forge right over there. And then that's basically it. So if you opened up the Minecraft launcher, you will be able to see that you have directly accessed Minecraft, and you'll be able to see the option of Forge. You just got to select Forge and then display, and your mod will be right there. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can install mods in Minecraft. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, and that's it.